In this video, I will show you guys step by step how to promote Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. I made $15,251 in the last month, in the month of September, from the first day of September until the day 30, as you can see. I made this commission just by using free traffic from Facebook. So the payment was already paid, as you can see over here. This is my invoice, as you can see, and it's paid. I received this money in my PayPal account. In today's video, I will show you step by step how you can exactly promote your Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook. So make sure to watch this video until the end. If you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions like this. Okay, anyway, for people who want to start making money with affiliate marketing, step number one, go to Google and search for this website. Search for Fiverr, click on the first link. You just need to sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. So you just need to scroll down, go to company and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commissions, and from my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. So they are paying for some services up to $150, which is really good. So just click here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So just need to put your first name, last name, email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have a website, you can say no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. You should see your commissions here, your clicks, CTR, and so on. What you will do next, you just need to choose good services that you should start promoting on Facebook to earn commissions. So I will share with you one of my profitable services that I'm promoting on Facebook, and I will show you guys step by step how you can find people who will be interested to buy this service from your affiliate link, so you can start making commissions from day one, from your first day. So click here on the search for video editing, search for this service, search for video editing. I want you to pay close attention in this step. Scroll down. You should find a lot of people here who are providing this service on Fiverr. What you need to do is you need to choose a good sellers, like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link and they find those sellers are good sellers, they will also buy this service from you and you will earn commission. So that's why you need to choose good seller. So for example, I'm gonna choose like this one. You guys can see this one is top rated seller. He has almost 5 star, over 1000 reviews, which is really good. I will click on his service like this and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. You guys can see that the seller has over 4000 reviews. Over 4000 people paid for this service and people keep coming back, meaning that the seller is providing good service for his customers. 5 orders in queue, that's good. I will copy the link of the seller, copy the profile link of the seller, and go back to your Fiverr affiliates account. Click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link, put this seller profile link here, click on save, and here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on Facebook. Let's go to Facebook. So go and open your Facebook page like this. All of you guys have Facebook page. Open your Facebook account, click on the search for editors, search for this keyword. I want you to pay close attention. Search for editors. You have here filters. Scroll down, click on groups like this. Click on groups, and here you go. You will find a lot of Facebook groups that you need to join. For public groups, that's fine. Even if you didn't join those groups, you can use those groups. But private groups, you need to click on join, so you can start using those groups. So let's scroll down to see if we can find some good groups here. Let's check this group, video editors. This group has a lot of people and it's public group. Click on the group, scroll down, and here you go. That's what I'm talking about. This person is looking for CapCut video editor. This person is searching for video editor. Let's scroll down. Here is another person, need video editors. They just posted those posts today on this group and they are searching for video editors. That's why we choose this service, video editing service. Okay, so we have people who are interested to buy this service. They are searching for video editors. Let's scroll down. Here is another person, need 2 video editors. Here is another one, need video editors needed. If we scroll down, looking for video editors, you have a lot of people searching for video editors needed. So I will click, so let's choose this person. I will click on his name. I will click on message. I will send a professional and friendly message with my affiliate link to this person. So what I will do, I will go back to this seller profile page on Fiverr. I will scroll down. I will go to here about this gig. This is his description. Okay, so what I will do, I will copy his description. So let me see. Message getting to provide. I can do professional video editing and post-production on film, shortcuts. Okay, I will copy this part here, which is really good. I will copy this part. Okay, and I will go back to Facebook and I will put this message here. And I will add check my website from here, and I will put my affiliate link here. I will go back to my Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you guys can see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan. Because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So copy your affiliate link from here. This affiliate link is too much long. We need to make it short link. You guys can go to Google and search for Bitly. This website make long links, short links. You just need to put your affiliate link here and click on create, and that's it. And here you go. This is your affiliate link and it's looking good. You need to put your affiliate link here and click on send. So your message will be sent to this person like this. So if this person is still searching for video editors, he will get back to you. And you guys need to learn marketing. You need to learn communication, how to talk with your customers. Those people are your customers. I shared with you everything. You just need to start. If you can't make commissions like this, the problem is you, because the business model is clear. So that's how we can promote Fiverr affiliate links on Facebook. You have a lot of customers here every single day searching for video editors. So what are you waiting for? If you can't make commissions from your first day, that's all fine. You just need to learn marketing. You need to learn how to convince those people to buy services or products from you. Go to YouTube and start searching for how to sell. Learn. Okay, you have a lot of videos for free that will teach you step by step how to sell, how to convince people, how to convince customers to buy services or products from you. And you have a lot of videos that you can learn marketing and learn how to promote those services or products so you can earn commission. Okay. And I also want to explain something, guys. I want to make this clear. These commissions that I made, it didn't come just from sending message on Facebook groups. Of course not. I'm using TikTok, YouTube Shorts, YouTube videos. I'm using Instagram, LinkedIn, Quora, and so much more. So if you are interested, you guys can comment affiliate marketing, and I will start sharing with you a lot of new methods. Okay. And also, guys, don't send the same message with the same service to over 5 people. Send the same message just to 4 people, then send different message with different link. After you send 10 message, you need to wait 10 between 10 and 20 minutes. Then you can start sending again between 7 and 10 message. Okay. So your account will not get banned or suspended if you follow this method. Okay. And you can send, if you can send just 10 between 10 and 20 messages per day, that's really good. It's already good. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, like I said, leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.